We truly live in a magical world. Think about it. Smart home puts every control in my home at my fingertips. And you can get anything delivered anytime, even fresh vegetables. When we think about AI in the future, a lot of it sounds like science fiction. But we're constantly awakened to the possibility of things we only dreamed of before. Why should your dental clinic deserve any less? Why would your patient expect any less? Our singular focus at Medit is bringing together hardware technology with software innovations to help dental clinics realize their full potential through digital dentistry. So easy to learn and much easier to use. Medit intraoral scanners can transform your practice in a snap. 1 year ago, we launched the i700, and it has become one of the best-selling intraoral scanners in the market. And today, I am introducing our latest and greatest, one that makes digital dentistry even easier and even more enjoyable. With the ultimate convenience and maneuverability of wireless. Magic is in the air. When I first held the i700 wireless, the way it felt in my hand and the power of this easy-to-use device made me think of the moment when Harry Potter first picked up his wand. Our development team used the latest technology to develop a wireless device that does not compromise on performance, focusing on both the needs of your patients and your needs as a professional. Our software creates an easy-to-use experience, and it improves the scanner performance for years to come. Software development is our core strength, deeply rooted in our DNA, which you'll hear more about from Michael. We know that you want solutions, the outcomes, such as crowns, bridges, splints, and individual trays. Maybe a surgical guide for your implant placement, or perhaps wires and brackets and clear aligners for your patients. We at Medit create solutions through an open system. In Medit Link app box, you'll find all the solutions you need. You can easily find labs near you that are digital ready and also get access to all of Medit's many solution partners. Design labs, implant solutions, orthodontic solutions, including clear aligners, and many more. We have an open system because we don't want to force you to change the way you work. But if you try the Medit apps, I think you'll agree that they are the simplest and easiest solutions for various design and consultation needs. Medit Smile Design and ortho simulations help you consult patients with visual assistance. Model Builder helps you quickly and easily create physical models from scan data. Medit Crown Fit checks to see if all your crown is well aligned with the prepped area. And Medit Design allows a simple analysis of scan data. It also designs splints and individual trays. It doesn't come any easier than Medit apps to get you to the cutting edge of digital dentistry. Just like the Medit apps, something we're also proud to call our core strength is our scanning software, Medit Scan. It may get a bit technical here, but I want to talk about Medit's scanning software. Medit Scan is a software embedded in Medit Link. So it just works in the background for you when you start Medit Link. Think of it as a Windows software that runs your PC. It is packed, I mean packed, with amazing AI features. Smart color filtering, smart scan filtering, smart stitching, smart arrow, AI scan body abutment matching, smart scan guide, and the highly anticipated smart shade guide. All there for enhanced digital dentistry experience. We are so proud of our powerful software that enables your scan experience to be simple and clutter-free, so you can get perfect scans every time. Now is the time, more than ever, to trust all these tools and jump on board with digital dentistry. Medit is the best guide to help you along your digital journey. Did I tell you that all these software are free for download? For many of you who may not know us well, I would like to give you a little bit of perspective. We built the entire fleet of Medit apps in less than 18 months. And that's while we kept improving the performances of our scanners through software updates. Now, can you imagine where we'll be in another 18 months? The types of apps you'll be able to enjoy from Medit Link, or how much the performance of Medit scanners you buy today will improve by then. I'll say it again, Medit is driving forward with one focus in mind, making your digital experience the best we can. As a matter of fact, anyone can come visit the Medit Experience Zone in Long Beach, California. You'll experience how easy it is for anyone to learn and use magic of Medit's digital technology. We are relentless in our mission, and our development team is really trailblazing through the industry. Speaking of our R&D, it's high time to introduce the man behind the curtain and the wizard behind our magic, our CTO, Michael Lee.
Hello everyone, I'm Michael Lee, CTO of Medit. As a Medit CTO, I spend most of my time thinking about the needs and wants of the market and our users. Actually, I don't just think about it. I spend most of my time communicating directly with our users. Have you ever seen a company where the Chief Technology Officer interacts with the users daily, answer their questions, and add request features, all within a few days? Medit has released new software and updates approximately once a week over the past years, upgrading various apps, services, and Medit Link. As our user base exponentially grows, we are receiving diverse feedback, including reports of problems we couldn't foresee. But one of Medit's R&D's biggest strengths is that we've created a system that quickly identify and solve problems and just as quickly distribute solutions. A year ago, Medit released i700. It's a lightweight, fast, and accurate. It provides excellent scan quality remote control mode, UV sterilization, and tips insertable in both directions, reusable up to 100 times. All these and many other advantages made i700 the best-selling intraoral scanner in such a short period. But it was missing something. No, we need to remove something. Users have repeatedly asked us about making the intraoral scanner wireless. Medit put all its effort into making this one thing possible. In the smart device and Wi-Fi technology world we live in today, you may think that creating a wireless scanner is simple. That it just needs to be equipped with Wi-Fi module and batteries. Or you may raise valid concern I've heard, like, what if it is slow? What if this stops? What if the usage time decreases? What if the device gets bigger and more difficult to use? And the biggest concern, wouldn't the wireless scanner cost much more? It was incredibly challenging to retain the advantage of i700. Its size, weight, speed, and UV sterilization in a low-power, high-speed wireless scanner. But after our hard work, blood, sweat, and tears, we finally present to you the Medit i700 Wireless. When designing the i700 Wireless, we thought hard about optimal weight needed for easy operation. The i700 Wireless body only weighs 255 grams. Even with tip attached and battery attached, it is only 328 grams. It is 50 grams lighter than Trio's Pole, which weighs 375 grams. To put it in a perspective, the i700 Wireless weighs as much as the Big Apple. And because it is wireless, it feels lighter than the i700, which is 259 grams. You will be stunned when comparing it against the iTel 5D and PrimeScan. We will also provide a detachable handle accessory for customers who don't prefer the pen-type grips. You can now scan so much more easily with freehand movement, something you couldn't experience with conventional wireless scanners. The i700 captures approximately 1,000 images per second to reach scan speed performance of 70 frames per second. Traditional 5 GHz based Wi-Fi technology cannot transmit this much data consistently. We adopted a millimeter wave based next generation communication technology to overcome the unstable data transfer challenge. It uses a 60 GHz frequency band and transmits 4K 60 Hz uncompressed image up to meters and meters without interruption. With one battery, the i700 Wireless can scan continuously for an hour. Intelligent power management technology quickly detects situations where the scanner is not in use or deep sleep mode. The scanner wakes up automatically when you pick it up, so you can start the scanning in seconds. Because of its superior power management technology, the standby time is increased up to 8 consecutive hours without dash time and heat-up time for the tip. Thanks to its fast scanning speed and low latency, you can use the i700 Wireless all day with just one charged battery in a typical clinical environment. But we provide 3 batteries for those who have complex clinical cases or have many patients to scan. It only takes 10 odd seconds to replace the battery and get back to scanning. And we provide a dummy battery type power adapter that can receive power from a wired connection just in case. Oh no, I dropped the scanner again. No need to worry. The i700 Wireless is made up with durable materials and has undergone multiple drop tests. It's very impact resistant, but of course, I recommend wearing the wrist strap. Let me talk to you a little bit about our software. People are often hesitant to adopt intraoral scanner into their clinics because training can be a pain, and they doubt the scanner data's precision and accuracy. Most intraoral scanners sold at this point shows sufficient accuracy to make simple crown and bridges, but only a few scanners ensure consistent precision no matter who is scanning in any condition. What makes Medit intraoral scanner extra special is our software technology. It adjusts a scanner, processes the acquired data, and makes it available in all workflows. Medit Scan per Clinic software has various AI-based convenience features that let you, even the most inexperienced beginners, quickly and easily complete oral scanning and gather consistent, precise scan data. You can scan without the interference of soft tissue such as tongue and cheek with our smart color filtering and smart scan filtering features. No special equipment required. Our reliability map and smart arrows make it easy to identify areas with insufficient data. And smart stitching lets you scan freely without having to follow setup scan method. You can use AI scan body and abutment matching to shorten scan time and improve accuracy. The Smart Scan Guide monitors the user's scan in real time and suggests the correct scanning method using auditory, tactile, and visual feedback. Our newly added Smart Shade Guide automatically recommends the standard shade closest to the patient's tooth color without any hardware upgrade. Medit Link lets you send the scan data back and forth and manage orders between clinic and labs with just a few clicks. As a cloud platform that prioritizes strong security and stability, you can manage and access all data generated in clinic and labs in one place. In addition, Medit Link is an open platform that connects various services and products in the digital dentistry market using SDK, Open Web API, or webhook technologies. Medit Link is no longer just a Windows desktop app that only works on PCs. You can now log into the Medit Link cloud service anytime, anywhere, through a web browser that uses all the features. When we first launched our scanners, we focused heavily on improving the scanning and ordering workflow. However, since then, I have received insightful feedback from users interested in digital dentistry. Users expressed that they were interested in using intraoral scanners as a consultation tool to better communicate with the patient. They told me they had a 3D printer but couldn't get the most out of it. They also told me they wanted to align, aggregate, and analyze data from multiple devices to one place. To do this until now, many users had to either buy expensive software or use free but complicated and unreliable software, wasting their precious time. If there's a good input device and a good output device, you need a good software to bridge the gap between the two. This is why we wanted to create an ecosystem where different apps could be created and used. For the first time in the industry, Medit implemented the concept of a dental app store and launched a series of apps in the Medit Link app box. We continue to prioritize collaboration and partnership, striving toward an open platform and vibrant ecosystem. Our apps aim to simplify complex workflows by breaking down and automating tedious tasks, so you can spend productive time doing valuable work. And for those who are just beginning to dip their toes into digital dentistry, we are here to eradicate all your fears and troubles. Medit Link app box contains apps that can infinitely expand your digital dentistry practice. Medit Ortho Simulation, Medit Smile Design, Medit Model Builder, Medit Temporaries, Medit Design, and Medit Crown Pit are all software other companies charge thousands of dollars to use. Medit offers all of these apps free of charge. And even those who don't use Medit scanners can use the apps as long as they create a MeditLink account. This shows Medit's dedication to helping the industry evolve to digital dentistry beyond caring just for our most important voices, the Medit users. When we released the i700, you needed a high-performance PC to handle its tremendous speed. The GPU usage increased to support the AI-based features, so you needed a high-performance graphic card. But as the cost of graphic cards soars due to the global shortage of semiconductors driven by the crypto boom, i700 long earned the reputation of being compatible to only expensive PCs. The rapid recovery of the IT industry combined with the compatibility of the i700 wireless makes concern about PC specification obsolete. Along with the 12th generation Intel CPU, the i700 wireless will render optimal performance on all i9, i7 PCs and solid performance even on i5 PCs. Medit R&D mission is to always listen to the users' voices. We always look to use the best technologies to develop next-gen product and improve the user's experience through continuous software update. More and more dentists will truly discover the benefit of digital dentistry with our product. The i700 wireless is Medit's best product yet. However, we know that customers will demand more from us, and we will continue introducing technologies that continue to wow you. Do I still have your attention? I'll catch you right on Facebook. Oh, I forgot my laptop. Did I mention that I'm an Apple fanboy?
Hi, I'm Emily Bradley, and it's a pleasure to be with you today. In this demo, we'll show you Medit's newest technology and its outstanding performance in detail. As you can see, data is being collected on the screen, but where's the scanner?
Right here. Hi, I'm Junie Che, and I'm proud to introduce to everyone the i700W.
That's really impressive. You were scanning from all the way over there.
That's the magic of the i700 wireless. We got rid of the wire from the i700 to make it easier to use.
Let's go over some key features of the new i700 wireless. We have included the UVC function and the remote control button unique to the Medit i700. It's only the wire that's gone.
It's the perfect scanner that maintains the same great features while adding even more convenience. The i700 wireless is lightweight, well-balanced, and maneuverable. A rechargeable battery connects to the bottom of the scanner, eliminating a wired connection. With the battery attached, the i700 wireless is super light at 328 grams.
It does feel light. I don't think it'll strain my wrist if I scan with it for a long period of time. The weight is evenly balanced, making scanning feel effortless.
The i700 wireless can also be used with the handle grip to make it even more convenient. This new option will provide users with more stability and convenience while scanning.
Wow, any more surprises?
Of course, it's this tip. The previous version of the reusable tip could be autoclaved up to 100 times. The new i700 wireless tip has been upgraded and can be autoclaved 150 times.
That's a significant improvement. Now I think our users would like to know how long they can actively scan with the i700 wireless device.
Absolutely. We provide our users with 3 batteries, and one battery lasts for 1 hour of continuous scanning. When the scanner is not being used, each battery will last 8 hours in sleep mode. Users can essentially scan for an entire day using a single battery.
That should be enough to scan a good number of patients. What should users do if the battery runs out and for some reason they're not able to recharge it?
That's a really good question. If users forget to charge the battery, they can connect the extension cable battery which is included in the accessory kit. The i700 wireless can now be used both as a wired and wireless device. You also don't need to worry about losing your data if the battery runs out in the middle of a scan. The software will automatically save the captured scan data before powering off.
That's great. Learning about the hardware makes me even more curious about its scanning performance.
Let's discuss the scanner performance. Should we set up the scanner and try scanning?
Definitely. But before we start, first we need to set up the scanner. This is the wireless hub, enabling the scanner to operate without wires. The i700 wireless uses the millimeter wave-based next-generation communication technology. This system uses two types of frequencies and is specialized for transferring extensive data. This technology can transfer data quickly and allows users to control the wireless handpiece easily. Now let's set up the battery. Here's the battery being charged.
So what does it mean when the blue light is blinking?
It means the battery is charging. When fully charged, the blinking will stop and the light will remain solid. Perfect timing. The battery finished charging. Let's plug in the battery and power on the scanner. The handpiece will also vibrate, indicating it has been powered on.
What are these blue LED lights?
These LED lights on the bottom of the handpiece reveal the remaining battery level. Each of the three LED indicates different battery levels.
Wow, that's really convenient.
It is. Now let's connect the scanner. Users can install Medit Link for free and run the Medit Scan for Clinic software. Once the software opens, the i700 wireless will start pairing with the wireless hub. This should take around 10 to 12 seconds.
It looks like the scanner has been successfully connected. Users can check its connection status and battery level at the bottom left of the Medit Scan for Clinic screen. This indicates the connection status between the hub and the scanner. This shows the remaining battery level. Users can also check the connection status through the blue LED lights on the wireless hub and the scanner. The blue LED light will blink when pairing or connecting. The light will turn solid when the pairing process is complete.
That's great. Users can check the connection status and the battery level through the Medit Scan for Clinic screen and the LED light on the i700 wireless scanner.
That's correct. We wanted to simplify the process for our users. The scanner and software will provide this information in real time. Now, let's try scanning.
Here's the scanning performance that you've been waiting to see. The maximum scan speed is 70 frames per second. We can experience the same excellent scanning performance and speed of the i700 with the i700 wireless. And with all our software updates, users will experience even faster scanning speed over time.
We showed you a lot, but that's because the i700 wireless can do almost anything. We were able to check out both the excellent hardware and scanning performance of the i700 wireless. I'm excited to start using this new technology.
I agree. I was surprised by the scanning performance.
On a side note, getting rid of the wire is beneficial, not only for the dentist, but also for the patient.
What do you mean by that?
When the scanner is connected to a wire, it can be challenging to scan some areas, and the wire can lie uncomfortably on a patient's face. Getting rid of the wire gets rid of all these issues.
Magic made easy with a simple touch. What more could we ask for?
I think it's safe to say it's almost perfect. Our new i700 wireless will make scanning more effortless for you and bring comfort to your patients. We hope you get the opportunity to experience the amazing potential of this scanner.
Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We're excited for you to join the Medit family.
Well, I have one more thing to share with you. It's a big surprise. A new product to complete the lineup that is sure to sprinkle more magic into your clinic. Take a look. This is our Medit iOS family. that meets the needs of any digital clinic. i700 Wireless. Magic made easy with simple touch. Floating in your practice without wire, but with the proven and powerful i700 technology. Simply a magic wand in your hand. i700, the best intraoral scanner in our lineup, one of the best-selling scanners in 2021. Widely loved and used with its powerful performance, speed, and versatility to be used for a wide variety of clinical settings. The proven and the very best. i600. New and improved. Inheriting the proven i500 technology with detachable cable and a lighter and a stylized body. Perfect as your first digital dentistry device. i500. The most trusted intraoral scanner brand. Loved and trusted for more than 4 years in clinical settings and still continues to improve with software upgrades. Aren't they fantastic? Once you have the magic, it stays with you forever. And yes, the products in our lineup are designed to satisfy all your digital needs, from the most clinically proven, affordably priced scanner to the most innovative, fastest, and most accurate scanner now in wireless. Whether you're considering an intraoral scanner for the first time or looking to simplify the digital dentistry experience for you and your staff, it really is time for you to trust the magic of Medit and make that leap. At Medit, we are digital dentistry, and we got this.
Hello again. My name is Brian Connolly, the GM for Medit Americas. Just 1 year ago, I sent you a video message inviting you to look at our new product, the i700. So here I am again, 12 months later, to share something very magical. With Medit's growth over the past years and the future growth we see going forward, Medit is positioned to be the leader in digital transformation. When I joined Medit 4 years ago this month, my goal was to help launch the clinical side of an already proven scanning technology, both industrial and dental laboratory. I never imagined this pace of continuous development to help the dentist and the patients accept treatment. Not resting on our laurels, we continuously listen to the market and our partners in order to bring you something new from all that we have learned. Our direction for 2022 is truly magical, and we have big plans to separate our brand from others in the market, as well as positioning Medit as the brand of choice for you and your patients. We also want your patients to have a baseline awareness and familiarity of the Medit brand and what it offers in dentistry. Most of you watching this video have also had great success with Medit products. So I would like to ask you to look at what Medit is doing to drive the transformation of digital dentistry compared to the other brands you are considering. Are they truly open solutions? Do their products have advanced innovations like Medit? Do they listen to you? Is their software platform based? Do they offer as many app solutions as Medit? Do they have Model Builder? Well, when you ask these questions, we think you'll choose Medit. We believe Medit is the company that listens. We build to meet the needs of the clinician and patients for an effortless dental transformation to drive treatment acceptance. I could go on, but my point is, we hope to present our case in this video that should have you asking yourself, why not choose Medit? Medit has all you need. Get one today.